Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special Android 10 system head unit for Opel Insignia 29 to 2012 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This head unit is a canvas box and a harness and other cable. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. Okay, you can check this canvas box, and this harness will come with head unit together. So it's plug and play, and this K1 and K2 for steering wheel controls this ANT wire, and this is camera input and AUX input, left and right. This is an OnStar. Okay. It comes with 2 USB cable and external microphone. There are external microphone. 2 USB cable. Okay. And this radio antenna. And this kit is original USB. This small speaker. And this is a camera cable. It's GPS antenna. And this AUX input left and right, and video input. Okay, this is audio cable. It's video out 1 and video out 2. And this subwoofer. This audio out front and rear, left and right. Okay. The head unit is plug and play. Okay, you can check back. This power is fuse, power and fuse. This GPS, and this Wi-Fi antenna. This radio port, and this audio and other connection, USB and other. You can check. Okay. Let me connect the cable. Connect back of head unit the power. This power and speaker cable. Okay, head unit will be started. Okay, you can check this front and front UI interface. Okay. Okay, please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, it's built in microphone and reset hole. This volume button and the back button, home button. This radio. Click search the radio stations. You can check it will show. And all apps are here. You can check very fast response. And this control settings, original control settings. This vehicle information. Built-in YouTube, Google Maps, and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. And this DSP amplifier is Z-Link for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This is APK installer. You can check local install Z-Link and ODB2. Okay, let me check the settings. It's PX5 chip, and you can check PX5 Android 10 system. Okay. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. It support Wi-Fi. You can open the Wi-Fi. Connect. Put the password. Connect the Wi-Fi, show Wi-Fi icon. This is mobile network hotspot from your phone. Okay, car settings, person settings, LED settings. You can change this button color with green. Any color you can adjust on this panel. Navigation settings. You can choose the map, navigation sound, and drum settings. Please note, watch video. If you turn on, you can play video from online or USB. Okay. This is Z-Link app for wireless Android and Apple CarPlay. You can check. Okay, that's all. Thank you.